So paano ba pinanganak ang Youth Advocates Through Theater Arts or ang YATA? It was 2005. I had relocated from Manila to Dumaguete. And I was part of a group called the PETA or Philippine Educational Theater Association. And I was asked to co-facilitate a BITAO or a Basic Integrated Theater Arts Workshop together with Jeff Hernandez in Dumaguete. It was a joint project of PETA and ECPAT, and it was part of a nationwide campaign to draw awareness on the troubling phenomena of child trafficking for sexual purposes. One of our dear friends organized 30 young people to attend this workshop from November 18 to 20 of 2005. Our mandate after the 3-day workshop was to create an informants or an informative performance about the issue of child trafficking for sexual purposes. So in the weeks that came along, so we produced it and performed it in Quezon Park in Dumaguete City, a public performance. And after that, the project would have been closed. Tapos na. December 18, 2005, we all met here in the house just for some food, to celebrate, but also to evaluate the project. And the energy was really very strong and infectious. Actually, iniisip ko nung time na yon, matatapos na lang ba itong trabaho na ito with these young people?
1, 2, 3, go YATA!
Dita, magsugod kung nakapay magyawit.
Nakadubo ata mga bata.
Noong una, hindi namin alam kung anong klaseng workshop ang sasalihan namin. Pero as experience, marami na kaming nasalinan na workshop, trainings tungkol sa children's right, leadership training. Iba siyang experience, iba siya sa nasalinan na namin na workshop before. Kasi ang workshop na ito is halo, merong kanta, sayaw, acting. It was fun, light, and deep. And above all, your brain is trained to be creative and think critically about what is happening around you. So, yung workshop na yun ay hindi namin makakalimutan kasi yun yung spark plug na naglikha ng apoy ng advocacy na dinadala namin ngayon.
1, 2, 3.
So ano ba ang laman ng performances namin? O ano ba ang inatawag namin na formula para sa isang performance ng YATA before? So actually, it is a combination of performance, information, at ang talagang tatak ng YATA. Para sa amin, marahil para din sa iba, yung humor o yung natatawa yung mga audience at napapaisip.
Lord, tulong kong makasasala ko, Lord! Tumawag ka ba na sa silingan? Uy, dahil sa tayo sa dahil, murag na nakao pa ito manong ka dahil. Kinawag ka ito. Uy, ano ka? Nakatulong kong sana.
So sa mga ganong pieces or ganong performances na dinadala namin sa community, simple lang siya, pero may lalim at napapangiti namin yung mga audience.
Ang dagat at tunay kinabuhi ay ayaw pasakit, ayaw masulabi. Uy, katawan pang mata na. Na 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 na.
Gaon sa dirayan sa gahapon, nganong inanimi karon. Ano na babay ko din mabuhay?
Ang dako contribution sa yata sa community, I think, is ang access. Access to information, access to quality performance. Yung anak kay usually manggod mga tao sa community kay basta makaduog theater, ang ilang i-think kay kato ganing nasa formal setup, natundag kong staging, ana ba? But with Yata's presence and existence, ang Yata may mato sa community, and then in that way, na-access sa mga tao sa information at the same time, na-entertain sila through theater.
Ang among grupo.
Bawat ikot-ikot ng ecosystem. Basta dali-dali.
Murag sadya ni tanawon. Timer starts now.
I'm happy, I'm very proud na nakita po na akong development na from being the one na learning a lot. Karon, I'm also being the mentor of the young. Akong advice lang good sa mga new members and to those who are planning to join Yata. Number one, jud na ako nga masulti is kinahanglan na ajud mo'y baruganan as a young person. Kinahanglan anda mo katpon o anda mo share na because Yata is more than just a theater group, but it's a venue where we are allowed to explore and to be aware of ourselves and to be able to also touch other people's lives.
Kahanas, umaron, hunahuna, pairon, kabatanunan, makiusa, barong hinulmuna, atong hulmahon, maayong kaumaon, yakang na mataro, atong sundan na karon. Kahanas, umaron, hunahuna, bairon, kabatanunan, makiusa, barong